In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a perfect fire on the PIZZELLO Gusto. 4 splits of wood and a fire starter is all you need. It takes regular splits. I was able to get 4 in there, light it up, wait about 20-25 minutes, although this got really hot in about 15. The average is probably 20-25, maybe 30, depending on what wood you use. And this thing burns wood fantastic. It gets that stone heated nice and even, and I was surprised. We're at 771 degrees in the back and a whopping 694 in the front. Then the coals died down, we stuck our pizza in, and when the pizza got on the stone, we dropped down to about 630 degrees, which is for a nice, crispy, perfect crust. Pizza pie. Oh, I hear it sizzling. So good. Let's see. Oh, the crust looks perfect. Look at this perfectly cooked pizza. Nice crust, no burn marks. It's absolutely fantastic. This is the Scintillation Estate, and I'm your governor.